If you're feeling low in energy, one of the reasons can be that all the food that you're eating is not getting digested and absorbed by the body. Now, God, or if you prefer, nature has placed so many things around us in plants that can support the body in increasing this digestive fire, or it's called Agni. We can use these plants or the parts of the plants and make a tea very easily that can increase the digestive fire in the body, increase Agni in the body. This tea is useful throughout the year. Anytime we can make this and have, but especially so when we are transitioning from winter to spring like we are doing now, when the digestive fire naturally tends to be low. No injections, no pills, no shots. And this tea, it's so easy to make, so warming and so supporting. Take a look. Take some coriander seeds, that's a little bit of ginger in there, some cumin seeds, and some fennel seeds. Depending on the quantity you're going to make, you can take 1 teaspoon or 2 to 3 teaspoons if you're making for the entire day. Put it in a tea basket or in a pan and boil the water that you're going to use to make the tea. Boil for 2 to 4 minutes and then let it steep for another 10 minutes. Leave the tea in this teapot or save in a flask and keep taking out a little bit to sip through the day. So we are never lacking in energy.
Learn to love her.